Are you tired of waiting for the perfect moment? Let me tell you a truth. There is no perfect moment. There is only now. Success doesn't wait for you to feel ready. Growth doesn't ask for permission. Life doesn't pause for anyone. If you want it, go get it. You have a dream? Then wake up and fight for it. Every single day, even when it's hard, especially when it's hard, doubt will scream louder than belief. But only if you listen. Turn the volume up on your purpose. You are not born to be average. You were born to rise, to break limits, to lead. The pain you're feeling right now, that's your body growing. That's your soul leveling up. Pain is temporary, but the strength you gain from it, that becomes part of who you are. Winners aren't lucky. Winners aren't born. Winners are built from discipline, shaped by sacrifice, fueled by passion and pressure. So when you feel exhausted, push harder. When you fall, stand up stronger. When the world doubts you, prove them wrong. When life whispers no, you roar yes. This is your moment. Not next week. Not next year. Now. Grind in silence. Sacrifice in the shadows. Let your results speak louder than your excuses. You want respect? Earn it. You want freedom? Fight for it. You want success? Outwork everyone. In the end, it's not about what you had. It's about what you gave. Your effort, your grind, your legacy. So wake up, lock in, and show the world who you really are.